welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time you're coming across this channel and you're seeing this pretty face, my name is Ruth Alfred, and if it's not your first time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification button to get notified whenever I get to post my videos. So it's been a long time I made a long video. I'm so sorry. I've been trying to grow my TikTok audience, trying to grow my TikTok. So mostly I've been trying to make short videos for TikTok, and then I transfer it down to my YouTube and I post it for my YouTube short. So for today, I'm making a video on how I'm spending my weekend. So let's get into it. All right, so lovelies, first things first, I'm going to be doing a room reset. Yes, like I'm going to arrange my room because it's quite untidy. I need to fold my clothes, I need to clean my room, I need to change my sheets. Okay, we didn't have light for a few hours, but they just restored the light and I'm super happy. Secondly, I'm going to be going to the office, and I'm also going to check out for spaces in salons where I can rent for monthly, as I'm done with my lash and my microblading classes. So I'm looking out for a space I can rent for monthly and start up my own business gradually. I am super happy. So without wasting much of your time, lovelies, let's get straight into it. All right. So I'm done blending my tomato and my pepper. It's time for me to arrange my room. So I'm done with my chores, cleaning and arranging. I also washed my bathroom, so I'm getting set. I'm taking my bath. I'm getting set to leave the house. I'll get to the office first, then from there I'll just try and see if I could check some salons that are within my area to know if they have space to rent out for a lash tech. Then after that, probably I might go to my friend's house. I'm not sure, and that's it. All right. Harmattan has come out in the east. My body oil is almost out. I'm thinking of getting another one because this weather, you need to moisturize your body very well. If not, I have a very dry skin. I think I'll go with this because the weather here is too hot. The sun is too hot. Yeah, that's so this is what I'm putting on. My polo, my face cap and my shorts. As you all know, I love to wear shorts a lot. So yeah, we're good to go. Abuja weather is so hot, like Harmattan is out. So when I got to the office, my boss was already busy. After some time, I left. Like I said earlier, I was going to search for a space that I could rent for monthly since I was done with my training. I got to the first salon, and this is what I had to say after I was done meeting them. Yeah, so I just left the first salon that I entered, and she said her boss is not around, but she gave me a card. So probably I'll call the boss later to know if there's a space to rent out for the lash monthly. All right, so let's check somewhere else. So I got to the second salon and I was told to wait for their boss. After the boss came out, we discussed and then I checked some other places. It was already late, so I had to head home because I was already so exhausted. So lovelies, I just got back home right now. I'm so tired. I'm super tired after the whole stress of going to different salons trying to get space, but I know that I will still get, but it's gradually. So I just go back to the house. There's no light. I don't understand. They said we're in band A and we're paying 1,000 to get 4 units, so there's supposed to be constant light. Please, I don't understand the electrical whatsoever for Nigeria. Please, you guys should to resolve or recheck this. How can you be in band A and then there's no lights? I don't get. Anyways, that's by the way. I just want to take my bath, get something to eat, and then that's it for the day. All right, thank you so much, lovelies. My face is now so rough. So my fragrance. All right, lovelies, I'll just get something to eat and that's it for today. So we'll continue this vlog tomorrow. Bye. So lovelies, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you all slept well. So it's a Sunday morning. I just got up from bed. I'm grateful to God for the gift of life, for good health, and all He has done for me. So I'm getting ready to go to church. I joined the service unit recently, the media team. So I have to always be at 2 services to try and get some video coverage of the service. So I'm getting ready. I want to take my bath and then, you know, dress up and go to church. So let's do that together. Bye for now. So lovely, it's get ready for church. It was quite difficult picking out an outfit because of the unit I joined. They have a particular dress code to wear. I don't even know if they'll allow me to wear trousers to serve, to work today in church, but let me just go and give it a try. So that means I need to buy more of long gowns I could wear to church. So let's go to church. What I'm putting on, as you can see,